Hi everyone, and you are welcome to this lecture, Operators Priorities. In this lecture, we are going to learn about operators priorities, and we will see some code examples to explain these priorities. I will end up this lecture by quick summary as usual, so let's get started. The main purpose of operators priorities is to answer this question. If two operators come together in the same expression, which one is gonna be executed first? Before I answer this question and dig deeply inside operators priorities, let me give you two notes, and you have to keep these notes in your mind. The first one, the highest priority is to start executing what inside parentheses is, and usually we call parentheses grouping. The second note, that when two operators have the same priority, the operator on the left is executed first. In other words, it has a higher priority. Usually, in Python and any other programming languages, we have a table list all operators from the highest to lowest priority to help you understand which one is gonna execute it first if they come together in the same expression. So let's see this table in case of Python. As you see here, this table starts with parentheses or grouping. And you see here that grouping is at the top of this table because it has the highest priority. After that, we have exponentiation, then we have complement, unary plus, unary minus, then we have arithmetic operators, but not all of them, because for example, division and multiplication have higher priorities comparing to arithmetic operation like plus and minus. And then we have bitwise operators, then comparison operators, assignment operators, and finally we have logical operators. And from this table we can see that the lowest priority is for logical operators. Now let's move to PyCharm IDE to see some examples about operators priorities. First of all, let me assume that I have four variables, a equal to 20, b equal to 10, c equal to 15, and d equal to 5. The first example here, it's about the first note. The highest priority is to start executing what inside parentheses is. In this expression I have e equal to a plus, parentheses, b multiplied by c divided by d. As you see here, I have b multiplied by c is inside parentheses. Therefore, is gonna to be executed first. Once this expression is executed, I will get a value, and then we have two other operators. We have division and we have plus. Division has a higher priority than plus. Therefore, division is going to be executed first, and then plus will be executed secondly. Now, let me run this. And as you see, the value of this expression is 50. Why 50? Because p multiplied by c, 10 by 15, is 150. Divided by d, which is 5, so I will get 30. 30 plus 20, I will get 50 as we see here. Now let's move to the second example. And in this example, we will see that when two operators have the same priority, the operator on the left is executed first. As you see in this example, I have parentheses here and I have parentheses here. And they have the same priority. Therefore, this part of expression will be executed first, and then this part is going to be executed. Let me run, and as you see here, the value is 90. Why 90? Let me explain this. As you see here, a equal to 20, b equal to 10. So a plus b is 30. Then we have c divided by d, so 15 divided by 5 is 3. Finally, I will multiply 30 by 3 and I will get 90. That's all for this code session. Now let me summarize what we have learned in this lecture. As you see, the highest priority is to start executing what inside parentheses is. Then we see that when two operators have the same priority, the operator on the left is executed first. Finally, I want you to refer to the file operators priorities appendix, in which you will find the table that summarizes all the priorities in Python programming language. And keep in mind that these operators are sorted from the highest priority to the lowest priority. Also, refer to the file operators priorities challenges, in which you will find some challenges to practice what you have learned in this lecture. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture.